Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it. And on Market Cipher, it looks like on the daily time frame we got a nice, beautiful daily red diamond. And now we did come down extremely fast, but we are starting to come back up right now. And the price is at 43,563, and all the altcoins are starting to come up significantly as well, especially Solana. So that's nice to see. We got a nice bounce yesterday from this support box right here, right at the end of the $40,000 level, basically at 40,000 or 40,100. That's where we bounced up from, and now we got a huge wick, and now we're starting to come back up. We're gonna retest this yellow line right here at 43,896. A few people are in some longs right now, very risky though, but the more risk you take, the higher the reward. Who knows how fast this thing could pump up back to the upside, right? You never know what could happen. And yeah, basically just gonna talk about what happened in the last few days and what we could be expecting, maybe potentially, like maybe some patterns I've noticed out right here. So basically, we've had in the past few months a Wyckoff distribution phase right here, where we have 1 top, 2, right, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is where you come down, right, all the way back down. We came all the way back down to 28,000 basically, from the highs of 59,000. And right now it kind of looks like we are in a similar situation. We have 1 right here, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, that one you can't see as well, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5th one is the the nail in the coffin, and then you drop down. It's not like a straight shot down, right? Obviously you zigzag down a bit, so you zigzag down. These are 6-hour candles, so this took a couple of days, maybe even a week, to come all the way down. And now we can maybe expect something like this, where the price comes down to the previous low, similar to here, right? Or the previous bottom from here. So maybe we could expect prices to come down. Let's take a look. Where's my horizontal chart? There we go. We could maybe expect the price to come down to 37,200. Alright, that's a very, very, very good possibility that happens. And if it does make a lower low and the RSI makes a higher high, then you have yourself a beautiful bullish divergence from there. Alright, so definitely take that into account. When we do come back down like this, we are probably gonna go do maybe something like this, and then touch it, and then have a big bounce up from there. Something like what we did right here, right, where we came all the way down, bounced off the 28, and shot right back up to 43,000. This was a huge pump from there. It's like a 44% pump. So if we do something similar to that, like if you come back up to this previous high, maybe that's 42,000, right? So from 37, maybe we could see a pump back up to 16%, right? Up to 42,000, 43,000. That would be my best guess. And then we could also see that we are right now, let's take a look, underneath the 21 weekly moving average. And technically speaking, we definitely want to hold it, but right now we're under it. But the week's not over, right? Though on the weekly time frame, the week's not over. There's still 5 days left. If we do hold it, then that would be bullish, even after this massive drop. If we came back above the 21 weekly moving average, it would be bullish to hold it. But we've seen before as well that even though we do hold the 21 weekly, we've seen it break down from there, because we held it here. We closed above it, but then right after, we dumped down right away. Right after the weekly close. I remember that. I remember that day. It was a bloody day for everyone. And yeah, right now we're at 43,211. I'm not too worried. I still believe in my hash ribbon buy right here. We could see that even in the past, right here, when I bought Bitcoin at this hash ribbon buy signal right here. Let's just zoom in a bit so you guys can see a little bit better. At this buy signal right here, around this area, we could see that we did suffer a 9% drop, right? Depending on where you bought, you could have bought at 20k, you would have suffered at 11% or 11% or 10%. Yeah, see, 11 to 10% drop before is a massive 240% rally, right? And same thing for here when we got our buy signal, right? This yellow line right here. Right now, so far, if you bought on the spot exchange, you would be down only 9.5%. So not even the full 10%. Or maybe I could draw it a little better, measure it a little better. We can see maybe you would have been down. There we go, 10%, exactly 10%. So technically, we're starting to come back up even now. So I wouldn't be too worried. I'm not too worried. If this is the end, right, and this is the top, and this is that's it, then so be it. That was the top, right? We had a great run. We've made 240%, but in my personal opinion, I don't think the top is in. I don't think the market's over yet. For some people it is, but we'll see, right? History does not always repeat itself. It rhymes for sure, right? It does not always repeat the same pattern, but we'll see. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. This was a little bit of a different type of analysis video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more content like this, definitely leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what do you think of it. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. And if you guys don't follow me on BigCat, you can go ahead. We're gonna make some decent trades in the coming few days. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful day. Peace. Love you.